The Feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, a reflection on faith and divine grace. The Feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, celebrated on August 15th, holds profound significance within the Christian tradition. This feast commemorates the belief that Mary, the mother of Jesus, was assumed into heaven, body and soul, after the completion of her earthly life. Rooted in both theology and spirituality, the Assumption serves as a testament to the deep faith, unwavering devotion, and the role of divine grace in the lives of believers. The Assumption of Mary is a doctrine that has been upheld by the Roman Catholic Church and some other Christian denominations. It is rooted in centuries of theological reflection and devotion, reflecting the belief that Mary's unique role as the mother of Jesus earned her a special place in God's plan of salvation. The feast underscores her holiness, virtue, and intimate relationship with her Son. At the heart of this celebration lies the concept of divine grace. Mary's Assumption is seen as a culmination of God's grace in her life, elevating her to a position of honor in the heavenly realm. This event highlights the transformative power of God's grace, capable of lifting humanity beyond the constraints of mortality and sin. In Mary's Assumption, believers find hope in the promise of redemption and eternal life. Moreover, the Assumption serves as a source of inspiration for Christians in their own spiritual journeys. Mary's faith, humility, and obedience are qualities that resonate deeply with believers. Her willingness to say yes to God's plan, as demonstrated in the Annunciation, sets an example of complete surrender to the divine will. Mary's life becomes a model of how faith can lead to a profound union with God, culminating in the ultimate fulfillment of human existence. The feast also fosters a sense of unity among believers across cultures and generations. Regardless of geographical boundaries or historical periods, the Assumption draws people together in a shared celebration of faith. It reminds us that Mary's example transcends time and culture, touching the hearts of believers around the world. This unity in faith encourages believers to reflect on their own relationship with God and their journey towards holiness. In a world marked by rapid change and uncertainty, the Feast of the Assumption offers a moment of reflection and contemplation. It prompts believers to consider the eternal significance of their actions and choices. The feast invites individuals to reevaluate their priorities, seeking to align their lives more closely with the divine plan and the values exemplified by Mary. In conclusion, the Feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary is a celebration of faith, grace, and unity within the Christian tradition. Through this feast, believers are reminded of Mary's unique role in salvation history, the transformative power of divine grace, and the potential for spiritual growth through faith and obedience. As we commemorate this event, we are invited to reflect on our own journeys of faith and to draw inspiration from Mary's example of unwavering devotion and complete trust in God's providence. I invite everyone to subscribe because it is my inspiration to post more videos. Thank you.